Ready to skyrocket your Wati broadcasts with the power of custom fields? First, head to the Contacts section within your Wati dashboard. This is where you'll manage and segment your audience. Now, let's add those crucial custom fields. Click on a contact and scroll down. You'll see the option to add custom field details like location, purchase history, or anything relevant to your business. Fill this information accurately. Time for segmentation. Use the filters at the top to create specific audience segments based on your newly added custom fields. For example, create a group for all contacts in New York or another based on high-value purchasers. Next, navigate to the broadcast section and click Create New Broadcast. Get ready to craft your personalized message. In the message editor, use the magic of personalization. Type and you will see available field variables that correspond to your custom fields. Insert the appropriate fields to greet each recipient by name or mention other relevant details specific to each contact. Once you're satisfied with your personalized message, hit Send Broadcast. Watch as your customized messages are delivered to the right people, at the right time, with information specifically tailored to them.